everybody. So you are here because you're doing your suggested science for the week. Okay, so when you look on your slides, you scroll down to science already like me, and you see a suggested assignment just looking like this. I'm going to present so you can see it a little bit bigger. Okay, so this week you are looking for rocks. I had a hard time finding some rocks. So the nice thing about the slides this week, it has some pictures over here that I could use to describe my properties on my rocks. If you were like me and you searched all through your front and backyard maybe and couldn't find them, a good suggestion would be maybe to take a nice walk with your family to find some. But again, if you can't find them, there is up there some pictures that you can use even to use into your slides to turn in your copy as well. Okay, so when you're looking this week, it tells you to do a picture of your rocks. So again, you could actually take a picture and it kind of tells you how to do that in your suggested turn in up here, or you can use the rocks that are over here and drag them when you're turning them into. Remember, on this copy, this is just the instruction copy, so you have to go into Google Class to do that. All right, so some things to remember. It's asking you to do the texture. Okay, so texture, remember, is how it feels. Okay, so is it bumpy? Is it smooth? Is it rough? Okay, you've got some suggestions here, of course, but you can add more. You're looking at the size of your rock. Okay, so it tells you, is it smaller or larger than your hand? And you can type in that way. If you have a different way you want to describe it, maybe it's as big as a penny, or maybe it's a tiny rock, or maybe it's a huge rock, or maybe the rock is as big as my fist. So just any way you want to describe your size of your rock here. And then the color, of course. The color is kind of a little bit easier. All right, so obviously what color is your rock? All right, so up here also there is an anchor chart to help you with some good describing words, just like in our classroom. If I click on that, just like in our classroom, we have our science word wall. So this one is your personal science word wall to remind you some different ways to and different words on here to use to describe your rocks. So happy rock finding and hunting, you'll find some cool rocks, way cooler than I did, because look at my rock. There's no here. Can't wait to see your rocks. All right, see ya.